Okay, we're good.
Okay.
I never said we were good. We're good.
Okay.
What? No, I went like this.
Can you have the fucking story?
We'll play it.
It's recording.
Alright, my dear cousin here. She's had some problems for a while now. Yeah, well, she's had some problems for a while, see. She actually liked Edward Cullen. Yeah, I know, I vomited in my mouth. But, listen, when I read Twilight, I wanted Bella and Edward to get together. You know? I didn't want Jacob.
I have to say it. I have to say it.
Don't say it. Yeah, we might have a blooper thing later. Anyway, but I still like Jacob more because you know why? There's no such thing as perfection, and that's what Edward comes into. And you know, it really aggravates me. Bella really aggravates me in all the books because you know she completely regards all the other responsibilities. You know, hey, I'm gonna go get bitten by a vampire, and we can live together forever. And it's like, oh, I'm not gonna see my dad and my family anymore. Oh, I'm gonna have to leave all that behind. And I'll never be able to eat again! I'll never be able to taste ice cream again!
Chinese food! Ew.
Alright.
I love Chinese food.
But she just completely disregarded that fact, and that really got me mad at her, because her obsession with Edward was very unhealthy, to tell you the truth. Anyway, anyway, that's all I want to say, that she has finally switched over and saw comment sex that, there's no such thing as perfection. She switched over to Team Jacob, everyone. Please applaud me for her. Say congratulations. I would clap, but I have to go on right now. Congratulations, Haley. Got something in that noggin of yours. Like, Edward Cullen. Sex appeal. What? Yes. Yes, it's not all that, folks, you know. Good looks aren't everything. And to tell you the truth, I wouldn't want a perfect boyfriend. He would get on my nerves too much. And I'd probably end up picking a fight with him, like, you know what, go die. That's right, you can't, because you have to live forever. Because you're perfect. Because you're perfect, and it's not real, and I hate you. But I really love you. Don't ever leave me. See, that's what I got.
It would get kind of crazy.
I couldn't do it. Tell you the truth, I couldn't even live forever. Because, you know, you can only see something so many times before it's like, you know, this is boring.
Like Twilight. You see it twice, it's over.
Yeah.
I've seen it before.
Yeah, by the way, just completely off the point, Twilight the movie sucked. It's so much ruined it, you know.
The only thing I was good about it is because Jacob Black was in it.
Oh my god, I know.
He was the only in-character person in the movie.
I like him. He was.
Yeah, Billy was alright. But Jacob was
Charlie was hilarious.
And I didn't mind Emmett as much as
Oh my god, I love it.
But everyone else, they kind of just maybe...
Yeah, Jack looked like he was about to vomit.
He looked like he was constipated. Yep, that's right, folks. Don't eat it. It's very tasty. I have to watch because her dog's like, still want food.
I have something to say.
Oh, alright. Well, I'm gonna move. You want to share with me? I'll share.
Okay, so one thing I have to say is, like, the reason that Edward Cullen is just like... In the beginning, he was all mysterious, and that was cool.
Yeah.
He was mysterious, he's like, I'm a vampire, but I don't tell anyone.
Yeah, he didn't do the thing that all vampires are supposed to do. Kill people.
Yeah.
That's the point.
That's one thing. That's the only thing that would make him cool if he ate people.
When he did eat someone and didn't make it gone.
Anyway.
No? Oh, Haley's left all alone in the dark. Why is it like no one gets my... You're blocking the camera. You might just want to go whisper. Come on, go. No, just get out of here. My cousin's very naive about sex. Sex See, she just got it. Yeah, I'm really funny if people would pay attention.
days.
Months. I want to eat you. Your blood gives me pleasure, but it also is painful too. So maybe I should just kill you, like I should have done. None of this much would have happened, and I would have been happy.
And the whole book could have been about Jacob.
No, because you would have eaten him.
That sucks.
And that would have been like the end of like the what? 2-chapter book? 2 chapters. And then she got eaten. The end.
I think the end Bella should have gotten eaten.
I think she should have died at the end. Like, right
Yeah, me too.
I
think
would have enjoyed that.
I think it would have been cool if Bella would have died for her kid.
It would have given.
I think that would have been kind of cool.
It would have given me
Oh yeah.
inner. What's it called?
Peace?
No, inner.
No, really. That would give me inner peace to see Bella's.
Not inner peace. Inner something Asian.
See, this is when I have all the good songs.
Self-satisfaction.
I don't know.
Self-satisfaction.
Satisfaction. But it would give me inner satisfaction.
Well, that's the word she was looking for first. Satisfaction.
Okay. I wanted.
See, they have laughing problems. They can't do an interview without cracking up. See, that's how they have me, because the dry humor just kind of rides it. Like, ha 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 ha. See what I'm talking about? Men want to control themselves.
She reminds me of Lady. Like you say random things that are hilarious all the time.
Oh, well, that's...
Even if you don't have any money, even if customers have money, just move out of your mom's apartment.
We were talking about it like it was a 17-minute video.
Wait.
Jesus.
You can tell me after. We need to finish this.
Oh, okay, well, last thing, Edward Cullen isn't real. Like, he couldn't be, like, if he
The fact, it's like, not the fact that he's vampire werewolf. Like, so just disregard the fact that they're vampires and werewolves.
They're just people.
You could find someone like Jacob Black walking down the street, but you could not find someone like Edward Cullen walking down the street.
I'm walking down the street.
No, I would definitely not do anything of Edward Cullen. Like, you know, because he is so attractive, it kind of ruins the attraction for me. The whole entire perfection
Yeah.
thing.
Like, too attractive. There's a point where it's too attractive.
Perfect is fake.
There's no such thing as perfect.
Great, now we get there.
You lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry. Edward Cullen, big happy.
Hey, wait, and let me, one more thing, please. Pause that. Turn that down. There is no such thing as forever either. There's, say you get married, it's not going to last forever, because forever is not dying. Forever, I mean, I guess it's possible that you could love someone forever from the day you loved them until you die, but that's still not forever, folks.
It's forever for them.
So unless you love someone the day you were conceived, besides your mother, because she definitely doesn't count, then, well, it's not forever. Sorry.
So
Sorry to ruin that to you. We need to be together forever. Forever, never, never. I am very clingy. Never. Let's go somewhere. And he's like, no, touchy. Like, your blood is painful for me. And I might...
Okay, well, we should have this. Basically saying Jacob Black is better than Edward because he's like, he could be human, he could be a real person that I would enjoy. I would enjoy his company. Because if you're with Edward, you would feel like he's so perfect and then you're like, completely like, not good. Like, make it in.
Crouch down, Carlos, because you're not blocking me.
So, goodbye, folks, and just remember, we can enjoy Jacob's company, but
Yeah.
not Edward.
This isn't the right way to start it.
The baby's in my face. The baby's in my face. You love.
There it goes.
I'm not a cannibal, I promise.
This is delicious. Alright, Maddie, it's on.
Maddie.
Maddie.
Oh, Jesus.
What? Hey, where did you go?
We gotta, let's take this one.
Maddie.
Maddie.
Where's that pleasure?
Alright.